Hello and welcome to our channel. If you're someone who loves having their nails done but are confused about the difference between gel nail polish and acrylic, then you've come to the right place. In this video, we will be comparing gel nail polish and acrylic and discussing their differences in terms of application, durability, removal, and cost. Let's dive in. Let's start with the application process. Gel nail polish requires UV or LED light to cure and harden the polish, while acrylic requires mixing a liquid and a powder to create a paste that is then applied to the nails. Gel nail polish is generally easier to apply than acrylic since it is applied like regular nail polish and dries quickly under the light. Acrylic application requires a bit more skill and practice to get it just right. Gel nail polish can last up to 2 weeks without chipping or fading, while acrylic can last up to a month with proper maintenance. However, if the application process is not done correctly, both gel nail polish and acrylic can peel or lift prematurely, which can be frustrating and time-consuming to fix. Now let's talk about the removal process. Gel nail polish is easier to remove than acrylic, but it still requires some effort. You can either soak your nails in acetone or use a special removal tool to take off the polish. The process can take up to 15 minutes, but it's not as harsh on your nails as acrylic removal. Acrylic removal requires soaking your nails in acetone for an extended period, which can be damaging to your nails if not done correctly. The process can take up to an hour, and it's recommended to have it done by a professional. Gel nail polish tends to be more expensive than regular nail polish, with prices ranging around $20–$40 for a full set. Acrylic nails are also on the pricier side, with prices ranging around $30–$60 for a full set, depending on the salon and the level of expertise of the technician. Gel nail polish provides a glossy finish that looks natural and elegant, while acrylic can be customized to create different shapes, lengths, and designs. Acrylic nails can also be filed and buffed to create a smooth, even surface that can be painted with regular nail polish or gel polish. Gel nail polish, on the other hand, cannot be filed or buffed since it's already hardened and cured. Gel nail polish requires minimal maintenance since it doesn't chip or fade easily, but it's recommended to apply cuticle oil and hand cream regularly to keep your nails healthy and hydrated. Acrylic nails require more maintenance since they can lift or break if not properly cared for. You'll need to be careful when using your hands. Avoid soaking your nails in water for extended periods and keep them moisturized to prevent them from becoming brittle. The health risks associated with gel nail polish and acrylic. Gel nail polish is generally considered safe for occasional use, but repeated exposure to UV light can increase the risk of skin damage and cancer. Acrylic nails can also pose health risks if not properly applied or maintained. The chemicals used in the application process can be harmful if inhaled or absorbed through the skin, and the removal process can damage your natural nails if done incorrectly. Lastly, it's important to consider the environmental impact of gel nail polish and acrylic. Gel nail polish is generally considered to be more environmentally friendly than acrylic since it doesn't emit as many fumes or use as many chemicals. However, both options still require the use of chemicals and can contribute to waste if not disposed of properly. It's important to choose a salon that follows proper disposal procedures and uses products that are safe for both your nails and the environment. Now it's your turn. Which one impresses you the most? Let us know in the comments section below. Also, do share and subscribe to our channel for further video notifications.